The sun will not shine in the sky, and many will say it is faded away in darkness. One day tomorrow will be no more, to only be cries that will be heard in darkness. Then heaven will fade away, and the earth never the same. Alas, there'll be terror and fear upon all men throughout the earth in darkness. One day those who leave you without God will weep and will grieve in darkness. One day only cries will be heard, hatred and pain will be felt in darkness. The sea will surpass the shore, judgment on all, the great and small. The sound of the cries of fear will spread throughout because of pain in darkness. My friend, we approaching the end, and our Lord Jesus, yes, will return just as it's written. There's no better day than today to give your life to the Lord Jesus, who waits your heart. Arise, come to Him and give a chance to save your soul. Alas, don't let your heart to suffer more the pain of being in darkness. Why do you go on living without God, to later weep and grieve with no salvation? Why do you reject such grace, which is in Jesus Christ, who will bring an end to the darkness? Arise, come to Him and give a chance to save your soul. dark.